Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Gonna give you a walkthrough tour of a 2020 Galeon 425 HTS. Let's get a nice profile shot here. We'll head inside and show you some of the features. As we step aboard, you'll notice a large teak inlaid swim platform, nice accented LED lights with a lazarette storage locker in the transom. 3 steps up into the cockpit. Got this new flooring which feels really nice on your feet. White and gray modern seat color package. Look at this perfect amount of seating out here on the transom. 425 HTS has LED light strips everywhere in the boat. All LED lights, you don't have to worry about replacing the light bulbs. A really unique feature on this boat is that when we see it right now, walking through, it's set up as a coupe, completely climate controlled, flat screen television, refrigeration, nice wraparound seating inside, opening sunroof. Then I'm gonna go ahead, let's look back, and I wanna show you how we can open this up. All right, we got the boat opened up, and you can see we got a nice easy transition from the exterior inside. So looking forward, you can be completely connected to the guests outside, cruising on a nice winter day down here in Florida, 75 degrees. We can open everything up. Picturesque windows on port and starboard, so you feel very connected to the water. The sunroof is open. Double wide helm seat. It is IPS controlled. Windows on either port and starboard. Look at all the views here you get. Just no obstructions. Of course, we got our Raymarine Axiom screen, autopilot, Volvo Penta system, your auto trim tabs. Just walking down the stairs here, we transition seamlessly right into the galley. Beautiful walnut interior with a white Corian solid surface countertop. Looking up, you got tons of natural light. Great thing about this 42-foot sport yacht, 2 separate staterooms and 2 heads. This is the VIP berth looking forward. Very nice large mattress, steps on either side. Lots of natural light. I love also that you get 2 huge hanging lockers. So this is on starboard side, looking on port. We do have another full hanging locker, so you can go away for a long week, have plenty of storage for your clothes. Let's go back out and we'll show you the day head, which is your guest head for the VIP access, as well as for your guests on board. It is a wet head. We do have a shower curtain here and the shower wand that sits up. Very nice for your guests. And then as we walk aft to the master stateroom, you're gonna see a full beam master stateroom with a queen berth right on the center line. Beautiful LED lighting accents. I'm standing up here right now and I still have more headroom above me by probably about another foot. Look at all the storage cabinets. Beautiful to wake up in the morning and look right out your window, right on the water line. Again, huge hanging locker, so you got a lot of storage. Look at the size of this locker here. And then you also have a separate shower and head. We do have a nice seat. Long, great headroom. Vessel sink. Again, more windows right out into the water. Electric flush toilet. Let's go outside and take a look up at the bow. And notice something as I'm going to be walking around this boat. The depth and width of the walkways. Grab handles at your head and legs. A safe, wide walkway. It's a nice sun pad, comfortable for two, with cup holders, grab handles. Again, this is a brand new 2020 Galeon 425 HTS, available at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give us a call, 954-783-9555.